I love a good road trip. I love getting in the car and hitting the open road and just seeing where it takes me. But when you're traveling with kids, you need a whole lot more prep than just everybody jump in the car. So that is why today I am showing you my favorite road trip car hacks that will help make traveling a breeze instead of you going bananas. So here are 3 ways to keep your kids entertained in the car and keep the back of your car organized. And the best part, they're super inexpensive. First up are these dollar store bathroom organizers. They're these little plastic containers that have the suction cups on the back. Now they're meant for your bathroom mirrors, but if you stick them on the window, they are the perfect place for pens and pencils and crayons so that your kids never lose them while you're driving. Next up, I have a roll-out cosmetic bag that I have filled with tons of toys, books, puzzles, and all sorts of goodies. And it has this hook on it that I just put it on the back of the seat. So while I am driving, my kids can just unzip, get out what they want, and put it back. And finally, a good old-fashioned binder. Remember these? So you just want to stack this full of coloring pages and stickers, all kinds of things to help keep them entertained. But when they're done, they put them right back in the binder. That means no mess in your car. So you could spend a small fortune on all those products designed for kids when they travel, or you could hack them yourself for a few bucks, like this one. This is just a cookie sheet from the dollar store, and since it's magnetic, I can attach a coloring sheet, or they can put a game, or they can even have a snack on it. And I'm sure you've seen those iPad holders for when your kids want to watch a movie, or you could just put it into a freezer bag and attach it to the back of the seat with a little bit of tape or even a hanger. And if your kids are hungry, you don't want to keep turning around to give them their snacks and drinks, grab a shower caddy from the dollar store, fill it up with all of their food and their drinks, and pass it back to them. It's safer for you and it's easier for them. To cut down on the mess in the back of your car, grab these rag rugs from the dollar store. They're the perfect catch-all for anything your kids can bring into your car, and when your trip is over, just shake them out and toss them in the laundry. And here is my favorite mom hack for those really long trips. I usually pick up my kids some treats and inexpensive toys before we hit the road, but rather than just hand them over when the kids get really antsy, I wrap them up in crazy things like tin foil or little pieces of paper, or even these little bags that I have laying around the house. When I give them to the kids, they think they are so special, and it keeps them entertained to unwrap them and play with them. And really, it cost me about $1. Whatever works, right? Have a great time on your road trip. Bye.